Okay, the diagram shows a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD center O. Okay, we get all those. And we said TA and TD are tangent. Okay, we have tangent here and TD extended to U. And the angle UDC is 64. Okay, first let's find the angle PQ and R here. Okay, so cyclic quadrilateral opposite should be 180. That makes Q is 80. That we got straight away. That makes P is 70. And where's R? How do we get the R? Okay. Okay, we can see once we got a Q here, maybe I write inside here. Q is 80, and we know this is a straight line. Definitely we can get the angle here. Let's work for that. 180 minus 80 minus 64. So that will be 36. Okay, so that is 36. I think the other end should be 36. Let's write inside here. This is 36. This also be 36. And R come from this triangle. Okay, so maybe right here. I'll draw this will be the triangle. And this is 36. And this is also 36. Therefore, we can get R equal 180 minus 2 times 36, which is 72. So that will be 108. Okay, R is 108. Okay, and angle ODC. Where's OD and C? Okay, so maybe we can erase this first. Okay, OD and C. OD and C. So we are making triangle here, and O is the center. This is of course a radius. Okay, so how do we find ODC? We are looking for the angle here. We have the whole of that 80, and okay, so that is tangent, right? So this is actually radius to tangent. Okay, should I draw again? Maybe I draw better. So this is here. This is actually a tangent, 90 degree here. Okay, of course we can get a bit as we have 64 that side. So that should be what's that? That should be 90 minus 64, and that will be, what is that, 26? 26 a bit here, 26. Okay, for the next question, DAC, maybe we erase this first, yeah? Right, ODC just now, 26 here. And DAC, okay, let's draw a line DAC. Okay, DAC, we have Q earlier, which is 80. We have angle a bit here, which is 36. We have R, which is 108. And yeah, P, the whole P is 70. And we have all of this. And DAC is here a bit from 110. So what is the concept we use here? We have a tangent that touch to this triangle, and this is a tangent. Okay, if radius connect to that tangent, it will be 90. But this is another concept we're using, which is alternate segment theorem. So the angle a bit here will be equal with angle a bit there. Okay, that makes this part is 36. That will be equal. And DAC, now we can find from 180 minus 80 plus 36. That will be 116. 116. The answer should be 64 now. That's 64, and the concept is alternate segment. Yeah. Segment theorem. Okay.